Ava loved exploring. One sunny afternoon, while wandering off the beaten path, she stumbled upon a forest unlike any she had ever seen. The trees whispered secrets of numbers, and the brooks sang songs of equations. The first sign that this was no ordinary forest was a tree with leaves of pure silver and vines that pulsed with a soft internal light. It spoke in a voice like rustling leaves, presenting Ava with a challenge. X minus 4 equals 2. The three echoed. Ava pondered, a small frown raising her brow. What number, when you take away 4, leaves you with 2? Suddenly, her eyes lit. It's 6, she exclaimed. Because 6 minus 4 equals 2. The silver leaf trees shimmered with delight. A chorus of chimes rang out from the forest. Correct! A voice echoed. You have solved the riddle of subtraction. Further down the trail, a tree covered in spinning fruits called out. 3 times a number equals 15. What's the number? Hmm. Ava tapped her chin thoughtfully. That's 5, because 3 times 5 is 15. She traced the spinning patterns with her finger. A bell chimed through all the forest, a joyful sound that echoed through the trees. Correct, you just used multiplication. Next, a babbling brook whispered a new riddle as its water gently cascaded over smooth moss covered stones. X divided by 2 equals 4. Ava grinned, recognizing the challenge. Well, 4 times 2 is 8, so X must be 8, she declared with confidence. A splash of water rose up in applause, droplets glittering like jewels in the sunlight. Division is just backwards multiplication. Deeper into the forest, Ava encountered a giant moss covered stone. Carved into its surface were strange symbols and a challenging equation. The stone trembled, its voice deep and resonant. What is the square root of 16? It boomed, challenging Ava's knowledge. Ava paused, thinking hard. She remembered the lessons. The square root of 16 is 4, she answered bravely. The stone vibrated and a new symbol appeared. Square root of 16 equals 4. Correct, you understood square roots, the stone proclaimed. As Ava continued her journey, she noticed a group of fireflies flitting around a large ancient oak tree. The fireflies blinked in unison, forming a numerical sequence. 1, 1, 2, 3, 5. What comes next? They twinkled. Ava recognized the Fibonacci sequence. The next number is 8, she declared, understanding the pattern. The fireflies pulsed with joy, their lights creating swirling patterns of celebration. Correct, you have mastered the Fibonacci sequence. As the sun began to set, casting long shadows through the forest, Ava came across a field of glowing flowers. Each flower had a different number of petals. A soft voice whispered, What is the prime number among us? Ava looked closely, counting the petals. A prime number can only be divided by 1 and itself, she mused. 3, 5, and 7 are prime, she exclaimed, pointing to the flowers with those numbers of petals. The field of flowers erupted in a symphony of light and color, each prime number flower shining brilliantly. Correct, you have discovered the prime numbers. As darkness deepened, Ava knew it was time to return home, her mind buzzing with the magic of the number forest. She waved goodbye, promising to visit soon. Thank you for listening.